How to add a border in Canva. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, make sure you have stable Wi-Fi connection on your device. After that, launch the Play Store application and search for Canva just to make sure you have an updated version of Canva application. So here you can see there is no option of update, which means we have the latest version of the Canva application. So just tap on open and it will land us to the Canva application over here. Here I've already selected a size for my post. Now what you simply need to do is you just need to tap on the element section at the bottom of the screen. So as you tap on elements, tap on the search bar and just search for borders. Here you can search for borders, and as you search for border, you'll be able to see different options over here, from photos to frames to graphics. You can select whichever is more convenient for you. I'm going to select on this graphic over here. So as you tap on it, here you can just place it to whichever position you will want. You can also duplicate it and place it on the other side. So you can just select it and then you can flip it again. So let's just flip it for myself. And there you go. You have created a border on Canva. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.